In this video, let's see how our friends are swimming in the pool. Yeah! Good job, Lightning McQueen. First up is Jackson Storm.
It's Jackson Storm for the win. A huge upset. Neither Lightning or Bobby ever saw it coming.
All right, that was cool. Next up is Cruz Ramirez.
Yeah!
Awesome! Swimming in the pool. Next up is Chick Hicks.
McQueen, seriously, that was some pretty darn nice racing out there.
Fight me!
All right, swimming in the pool. Next up is Lightning McQueen. All right. Next up is Francasco.
Those are strong words from a car that is so fragile.
Fragile! It goes a Francesco! Fragile!
All right, that was cool. Next up is Tomater.
Somebody get me water! Oh, quick!
All right, swimming in the pool. Next up is Mcmissile.
Not yet. The American is here tonight to pass it to you. He'll signal you when he's ready.
Good.
Cool! Swimming in the pool. Next up is Miss Sally. All right. Next up is Guido Tire Shop. All right. Next up is Holly Shiftwell.
This cannot be him.
Is he American?
Look out, ladies. Mater's fitting to get funky.
Extremely.
Cool. Next up is Kyle Weathers from Dinoco.
Hey! Tito!
It's not.
Aha! Laugh it up. Real fun.
All right. That was awesome. Next up is Fire Truck. He's floating in the pool. Next up is Ramon.
But you do need a paint job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
That was awesome. Next up is Luigi.
Ferrari! Punch me, Guido. Punch me in the face.
All right, that was cool. Next up, we have Mack. Here we go. All right, swimming in the pool. Next up, we have Lightning McQueen.
He's back on the track.
Will he go in the pool? Here we go. All right, that was awesome. Swimming in the pool. Cool. Next up, we have our friend from Hicks team. All right. Nice mustache. Awesome. Next up, we have some friends. Pink monster truck. Here we go. Cool. Then we have green monster truck. Here we go. Awesome, nice flip. Last we have Jackson Storm's truck. This is awesome. How cool. All of our friends are swimming in the pool. All right. This is Radiator Springs. Ka-chow. Lightning McQueen, they're swimming in the pool. Our friends from Radiator Springs. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.